Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and availability. Make sure your engine version matches the pack requirements. Next, check whether the pack is free or paid and prep your account and payment method. Also decide the animation style you need: humanoid, props, locomotion, or VFX, because that determines import settings. Once done, open the store or asset marketplace and search with specific keywords. This avoids wasting time on incompatible assets and gets you to the download step immediately. You now evaluate packs by file format, size, and included demo clips so you know what you're importing. Check the import notes for retargeting requirements, whether root motion is used, and the recommended frame rate so you can match your project settings. Then complete the purchase or hit download. Make sure you have sufficient disk space and a stable connection. Once the download finishes, verify file integrity and prepare to import the files into your project immediately. You import the assets using the correct rig type, scale, and frame rate to prevent mismatches. After importing, retarget animations to your character and test them in scene, adjusting root motion and blending parameters for natural movement. Once animations play correctly, organize assets into folders and create animation controllers or state machines. If something goes wrong, check retarget maps, asset scale, and any missing dependencies first, because those are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.